This is the WIDOWS Lights On tour that we're seeing right now. It's funny because I don't know. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Oh my. So now I'm going through the widow maze. Look, Acromantulas. Lots of rich spiders. Spiders in here. Wow. The grandma. It looks like the grandma is a widow. And we're talking about black widows here, so it's kind of funny. Look, there's a massive spider over there. And they're all moving over here too. There's a little thing right here. Oh my! Oh, it's feasting. Look at that! Good grief! All these medicines. Oh, this person is terrified. Look at that. Wow. Hey, look, a sewing kit. Okay, the people are coming through there. Look at all these spiders. Wow, does this move? I don't know if it moves, but we go through this way, so. Okay, just a light fell. Oh, look, it's a hairy, ew, it's a human and a spider hybrid. Spider up there. Oh my. They have a thing for kitchens, I guess. Wow. Okay. It's kind of funny because you can see it. Okay. Like, oh, look, did you see that? Ah! I don't even know if you'll be able to see that in the dark, but here we are. I used to want one of these things. Oh, cute. This one has been, wow, ew, ew, gross. Oh, I just walked into these things. Hello, Acromantula. Human. They buy a lot of mannequins. Woo! Okay. She has a bruised face. Look at her. Look at her bruised face. Big body. Look, it moves. It's gonna move. It's gonna move. Ah! High five! Oh, okay. Wow. We're in a swamp, in a lair. Pretty sure people pop out of here. There's someone right here who has been petrified, mummified. Ah! Ooh! Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay, that one actually scared me. Does this one move? No, it doesn't move. Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. If I put my neck here, is it gonna? It's fuzzy. Oh, it's fuzzy walls. Wow. Okay, so now we're at a standstill. Not sure what's happening here, but okay. Oh, look, it's an actual spider web here. That's kind of ironic. Oh, wait, is it ironic? Maybe not ironic. Maybe it's intentional. Oh, tall. Oh, it's muggy here. What is this? What is this? fishing wire. Oh, look. See there. Okay, looks like there are eggs in this room. Looks like this is a human. A human? Yeah. Spider eggs. Wow, look at this spider. Look at that. It's like a grasshopper. Wow. Wow, look at that. You can hear the, and it's WD-40. That's so funny. Whoa, look at that.
Very complicated.
Wow. Look how fuzzy that one is.
I heard only tonight.
Then it actually moves. Oh! I've got some VIP behind me, but
Yes.
wow!
Yeah, my
Wow! That was a long, great maze. Hey, you lost 4 of your legs.
I know.
I mean, you lost half of your legs. Oh no! You could have been a part spider. Alright, well, that was the Widow's maze. I think it was a little bit shorter than the room 13 one, but that was still fun.